Hello, sashimi lovers and curious foodies. Today, let's dive into something unexpected yet delightful. Sashimi made from tilapia. Yes, you heard that right. Tilapia, the humble and affordable fish you might have seen in local markets, can transform into an elegant and delicious sashimi dish. But first, let's clear up some common misconceptions. Many people, when they hear the word tilapia, immediately think, wait, isn't that fish toxic? Or, can you even eat that raw? The answer is a resounding yes. Tilapia is not only safe to eat, but it's also packed with nutrients and flavors that make it a hidden gem in the world of raw cuisine. So let's unravel the mystery of this underrated fish. Why tilapia isn't toxic and why it got its name. Tilapia is often misunderstood because of its name and appearance. The name tilapia comes from the shape of its mouth, which resembles the beak of a bird called a cormorant. It's also known as the African bream, or Nile tilapia. While it might not sound as fancy as salmon or tuna, tilapia has a charm of its own. Here's the truth. Tilapia is 100% toxin-free. In fact, it's one of the most widely farmed fish in the world, especially in China. Thanks to decades of cultivation and strict farming practices, tilapia has become a safe and reliable food source. No horror stories, no mysterious toxins, just a simple, healthy fish waiting to be enjoyed. The nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's talk about what tilapia brings to the table, literally. This fish is rich in protein, vitamin A, and vitamin D, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to boost their nutrition. Its meat is tender, delicate, and versatile. Sure, it has a few more bones than some sea fish, but that's a small price to pay for its unique flavor and affordability. Here's a fun fact. Tilapia is often referred to as the chameleon fish because it adapts so well to various cooking styles, from steaming and frying to, yes, being served raw as sashimi. How to prepare tilapia. Sashimi now. Let's get to the fun part. Preparing tilapia sashimi. First things first, safety is key. Tilapia used for sashimi must come from clean, antibiotic-free farms and water free from heavy metal contamination. When sourced responsibly, it's perfectly safe to enjoy tilapia raw. To prepare tilapia sashimi, start by selecting the freshest fish possible. Once cleaned and filleted, marinate the fish lightly with cooking wine and pepper to enhance its natural flavors. Then, using a sharp knife, slice the fillets into thin, delicate pieces. The thinner the slice, the better the texture. Think silky, melt-in-your-mouth goodness. Plating. Like a pro. But wait, it's not just about the taste. It's about the presentation, too. A beautifully plated sashimi dish can turn a simple meal into a gourmet experience. For tilapia sashimi, you can try two classic plating styles. The blooming flower. Arrange the thin slices in a circular pattern, overlapping them slightly to create a floral design. Start from the outer edge and work your way in for a stunning centerpiece. The mountain of freshness. Stack the slices vertically to form a small peak. Garnish with colorful vegetables like shredded carrots, cucumber strips, and purple cabbage. For a pop of color and freshness. These garnishes aren't just for looks. They also balance the fish's richness with a refreshing crunch. Trust me, your guests will be impressed before they even take a bite. Why tilapia deserves more love. Tilapia might not have the star power of salmon or tuna, but it's a true underdog in the culinary world. Its affordability makes it accessible, and its mild flavor allows chefs to experiment with a variety of preparations. When handled with care, tilapia sashimi can easily rival its more famous counterparts. Here's an interesting tidbit. In some regions of China, tilapia sashimi is a traditional dish, often paired with dipping sauces and fresh vegetables to create a perfect balance of flavors. It's a great reminder that you don't need expensive ingredients to make something extraordinary. You just need a bit of creativity and skill. Conclusion. So the next time you see tilapia at the market, don't overlook it. give this versatile fish a chance to shine as a sashimi dish. With its delicate texture, rich nutrients, and endless plating possibilities, tilapia sashimi is proof that sometimes the most unexpected ingredients can create the most memorable meals.